Hello students, in this video let us know some important questions related to volumetric analysis. So the first question is, what is titration? It is a process of adding the standard solution of unknown strength to a known volume of another solution until the reaction is just completed, right? So that is known as titration. What is acidimetry? So if you determine the strength of a solution of an acid by titrating it against a standard solution of an alkali, that is called as an acidimetry. Or on the other side, what is alkalimetry? So alkalimetry is determination of strength of an alkali solution by titrating it against a standard acid solution, that is called as an alkalimetry. Okay. Next is, what is a standard solution? So it's a solution whose strength is accurately known, right? That is a standard solution. Next one, what do you mean by normality? The normality of the solution is the fraction of the gram equivalent weight of a solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Okay. Similarly, you can go for molarity as well. Then the next question is in terms of what is molar solution. So instead of asking you what is molarity, they can also ask you what is molar solution. Then how would you answer this? A solution containing 1 mole of a substance dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as molar solution, and it is denoted by capital M. Check out the next one. Define molar solution. So in this case, if 1 gram molecular weight of a solute is dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent, then such solution is called as molar solution. See the next question there. What is basicity of an acid? So suppose you consider, for an example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. What is the basicity of sulfuric acid? It is 2. What is the basicity of HCl? It is 1. Then how could you define this basicity of an acid is? The number of replaceable hydrogen atom per molecule of that acid is called as basicity of the acid. Okay, so in case of H2SO4 there are 2 replaceable hydrogen ions, and in case of HCl there is 1 replaceable hydrogen ion. So accordingly that is the basicity. See the 8th question now. What is an indicator? So what's an indicator? It is basically a reagent which is used to locate the exact completion state, that is the endpoint of the reaction, right? And how you can locate that endpoint of the reaction? With the help of change in the color, right? And such a substance which helps to do so is called as an indicator. What is the endpoint? The point at which the reaction is just completed in titration is called as endpoint. So the completion of the reaction is indicated by indicator through the visible color change. Next is, what is the least count of burette? Do you know what is the least count of burette? Just try to imagine burette in front of you. So what is the minimum count you can observe within burette? It is 0.1 ml. Okay. In case of microburettes, however, it would be still lower least count. But in normal burettes which you use in your laboratories in daily routines, that is 0.1 ml is the least count of that. Next one, what is the role of indicator in acid-base titrations? See, as we have already mentioned, indicators are basically the substances, the reagents whose solutions change color due to change in the pH, right? So it is used to detect the endpoint of the titration. And when there is a color change, and you say that whenever the color change, there is a change in the pH of the solution, that means it indicates that the concentration of species has reached a critical range. Okay, so that is the main role of indicator there. It helps us to identify that yes, the reaction has been completed and the concentration of the reacting species has reached its critical stage. Okay, next is, name any 5 indicators. So basically if you talk about types of indicators, It could be categorized as internal indicators, self indicators, and external indicators. In general, 5 indicators could be like murexide, erythrochrome black tea, N-phenyl anthranilic acid, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, methyl red. List is long. You can add thymol blue, litmus solution, bromocresol green, bromothymol blue. Okay, so these are all the indicators. That's for volumetric analysis. Thank you.